Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating a date night look for Valentine's Day. Extremely sorry for being late. Hope you will love the tutorial. By the way, this is very easy look to create. If you are a beginner, you can also try this at home. This is very easy to create. Welcome to my raw face. So this is the ground we are going to play. Jokes apart. Without further delay, let's get started. Before starting my makeup, I'm going to moisturize my face with CW Clinic Collagen White Moisturizer. This is affordable and good. Next, I'm filling up my eyebrows with a basic pencil and blending with a spoolie. Next, I'm taking a red lipstick and color correcting my under eye dark circles. Normally, I use the peach character from LA Girl, but somehow I lost it. So I had to do the lipstick hack. Next, I'm using LA Girl concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. After color correcting, you don't want to jump into whitish highlighting shades. You need to choose a concealer which exactly matches your skin tone to conceal. Next, I'm going to use the ever-changing eyeshadow palette from Focalure. I'm taking shade named The Palace and tapping it into my outer crease. After building up the color, I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending the color so that there's no harsh line left. In the middle, I use the shimmery shade Sunset. Now I'm taking the shade Fall and blending it into my outer crease. Whoa, just look at this palette. This is like bomb. I'm taking the shade Party Favors from this palette. Next, I'm using the very famous Lakme Insta Liner and making a wing liner. I love the tip more than the eyeliner. Honestly, this is so easy to draw. However, the liner itself is good, but the down part is it's not jet black and it's runny. But the good part is it's very affordable. I guess it's 120 rupees if I'm not wrong. Next, I'm taking Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Beige to highlight my under eyes. Honestly speaking, I love this concealer more than their foundation. This concealer is very creamy and easy to blend. Also, it stays intact for hours. Next, I'm taking a loose powder from Focalure. I heard a lot of good claims about this powder and I purchased it. Yeah, it's smooth. Next, I'm fixing my lower lash line with a brown shadow. And also, I'm highlighting my inner corners. I'm taking my favorite Lash Princess mascara from Essence. This one gives you false lashes effect. So if you're someone who doesn't like falsies, you can go for it. Yeah, finally I'm done with my eyes. Now moving on to foundation. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Beige. I know it's a cult favorite product. It's perfect for oily skin people. I do have dry skin, so I'm very interested to try their dewy version. This version is not good for me, sorry, but yet it's not bad. I'm taking the Casino palette from W7. I'm taking a contour shade and with that I'm contouring my face. It's little hard to blend with a brush, so I'm taking my sponge. This is from iMagic. Next, I'm using blush from Technique. I remember I was laughing over some silly jokes with my sister. I'm blending my blush with iMagic Beauty Blender. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. Now I'm completing my Adhura job. Next, I'm using a highlighting shade from the overhyped highlighter palette, Makeup Revolution Soapex highlighter palette. Again, I'm gonna blend it with a sponge for seamless finish. Highlighter in camera looks very nice and very dewy, but in person I think this is kinda chalky and makes harsh lines. I don't like this highlighter. This is not smooth. Now I'm taking the same highlighter shade and applying into my cupid bow. I'm applying Wet n Wild Mega Last lip color in the shade Spotlight Red. I'm trying to fix it with a brush. Though it's a eye makeup brush, but still Somebody said makeup has no rules. So I'm following that Sigma rule. I'm tying my hair and adding some jewelries, but still I think I look incomplete. So I decided to change my lip color. I'm applying Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Loved. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, this is my final look. And if you like my tutorial, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.